Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on Volkswagen Tiguan guys, and what we'll be doing here guys, it should relate for the whole generation from year 2007 to year 2017 guys. We'll show you where your AC compressor is located in case you need to replace it. So stay with us guys, and we're going to cover that today. Quick introduction guys, we're going to have more than 200 free repair videos on every single car we get at the shop, and this one specifically, that Tiguan guys, we just purchased it and we'll have more than 300 to 400 repair videos guys. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing this free information. In addition guys, if you need to buy a new replacement compressor or any parts to use for your Tiguan, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all the parts from. I will go ahead, open the hood, and we'll start on that now guys, and I want to share a little bit more information with you. So this is a 2014 Tiguan that we'll demonstrate on. This is the 2.0 gasoline engine guys, but it should work on the whole generation guys from year 2007 to year 2017 with a 2.0 TSI engine guys. If you open the hood and your engine looks like that, procedure should be about the same. Before we start guys, okay, if you want to see the complete replacement video, everything from start to finish guys, how to remove and replace the AC compressor, it will be on our main channel, How to Repair guys. Check it out, How to Repair guys, that's where you're going to find all that. Now that's where you're going to find all the mechanical videos on that Tiguan. What you're watching now, World Mechanics, is more of an informational video guys. We share where different components are located, how your car works, and different easy tricks and things like that. If you want to see guys, okay, diagnostic videos on that Tiguan, engine light diagnostic, airbag diagnostics, fuses, relays, they will be published on that channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. So just want to clarify that guys, so you can see if you need to replace the compressor, we'll have the complete video on how to repair guys. Now many of you just ask me where it's located, because sometimes you give it a try, okay, to replace it yourself. Make sure you stay until the end, I'm going to talk more about that. Now if you look at the engine guys, never ever have the engine started when you do that. This is your serpentine belt guys, okay, this is your serpentine belt, okay, and this is your alternator. If you come all the way down here guys, okay, this thing down there, okay, this is where your AC compressor is located guys. This thing right there, okay, I'm trying to focus, perfect. This is the AC compressor pulley, this is the clutch, and behind it, that's your compressor guys. So how you guys remove and replace AC compressor? Okay, first you will have to have the Freon out of the system vacuumed, which means that you have to drain the Freon out, but do not release it in the atmosphere. There is a big fine for that. Go to a shop and they use a vacuum machine and suck everything out. Then you will need to remove your serpentine belt, and once you remove the belt guys, you have a few bolts on the bottom. Disconnect the high pressure and low pressure hose from the compressor, which you can reach from top. Okay, right here I'm trying to kind of focus a little bit. Okay, let me see. You have the hoses down there, really hard to see guys, and once you do all that, the compressor will come out through the bottom of the car guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate it. If you want to see the replacement video, as I said, it will be on How to Repair guys. Please check it out. Thank you for watching guys, thank you for watching again, see you next time.